Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's scroll until you will find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the three dots icon and tap on special access. Here we have to find the option install unknown apps. And as you can see, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, you can change it, just find the app and tap on the switcher, and from now on it is active. Be aware that many apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and be careful with granting the permissions. And of course it will work the same with all other apps, so just find it and tap on the switcher. If you want to remove it, if you want to turn off previously granted permission, no worries, just tap on the switcher, and basically that's all. So this is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.